So you will skim through this text now. Amazon's flora and fauna. When you skim through it, you can just make your notes also. So just skim through it, understand what is given there. Then we'll do the questions. Note down what is given in the first paragraph in 2 or 3 words. Note down. You'll always get a paper and pen to note down rough also. And you can always make notes even in your question paper. You can underline also. And if it's a computer delivered test, you can highlight. And flora and fauna, what do flora and fauna mean?
Plants and animals.
Plants and animals.
Plants and animals. Do you understand all the words given over here? Do you know what predators are?
Predators are
There's a movie also. Predator.
Who finds their prey.
Predators are those who find the prey, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are all other words clear to you? Abundance, do you understand the meaning of abundance?
Abundance, it's a bulk, ma'am.
Bulk, plenty, right? Good.
Ma'am, what is meant by teeming?
Teeming, plenty again. Teeming with.
Okay.
It's full of. Where is it given?
In the third line.
Teeming in trees and plants. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Plenty of them. So let's go to the questions. Now you have to decide if statements one. Now remember one more thing, make a note of it. True and false questions come in order. What do we mean by come in order? Suppose I find the answer for the first question somewhere here. I find it here. So for second one, I will not go back. I will continue after it, then third, then fourth and fifth. So true and false questions come in order. Remember this. They're not just mixed up. So think of the answers for first, second, and third. Okay. Share your answers for first, second, and third, both of you. Sai, what are your answers for the first, second, and third?
Ma'am, first one is true, second one is true, and third one is true.
Oh, all three true.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatina, what are your answers?
Ma'am, first one is not given, second one is true, and third one is false.
Understand the subject of your question. What is the subject? Some of the leaves of the trees of Amazonian forests. Do we have information about some of the leaves of the trees of Amazonian forests? Let's see what is given. Some trees have developed. If some trees have developed, that means some of the leaves have developed. Tough leaves, resins or latex outer coats to defend themselves from herbivores, enabling them to protect themselves from many predators. Now here it says they have developed. What have they developed? A self-defending mechanism. Look at the subject and look at the object. Both are given. You've got information about these leaves of trees of Amazonian forest. You've got information about the defense mechanism also. Both are given. So you cannot say it is not given. Correct? Fatina?
Okay, ma'am.
You cannot say it is not given.
Ma'am, I didn't get the meaning of self-defending mechanism.
Self-defense. Suppose somebody tries to hit you. What will you do in self-defense? You'll bring your arm up. Correct?
Yeah.
That's what self-defending mechanism is. Though they close themselves or whatever it is, the leaves do, the animals also do. See what tortoise also does. Huh? So this has to be true. So the first one is true. Now let's look at the second one. What is the subject in the second one? The leaves of all the trees in the forests of Amazon. The leaves of all the trees. Now we do not have information about all the leaves. We've got information about some is given here. We've got few. And here it is dangerous to eat. So are all the leaves dangerous to eat? Tell me that.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All are not dangerous to eat. So it cannot be true. But are some dangerous to eat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are few of them dangerous? It's written few. Few produce. That means few varieties are nutritionally poor or poisonous. So can we say all the trees in the forests are dangerous to eat? So information is given. So we cannot say not given. Information is given. But what is given to us that few are dangerous to eat, not all. So what should we put for it? False. Let's move on to the third one now. So the third says the produce from the trees is rich and people make a lot of money by selling them. Where do we have this information? Tell me. That people sell the leaves. And about the produce of the leaves. Where is this information given?
Ma'am, it is in the underlined paragraph.
So here it is given most plants and trees are valued. Question says the produce from the trees. What does it mean, the produce from the trees? That means all of them is rich, are valued for what they produce. Timber, compounds valued in agriculture and medicine such as curid, fiber including kapok, rubber and food. And people make a lot of money by selling. Where is this information given? That people make a lot of money by selling them. Is this given?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what should we put for this answer?
Not given.
Not given. Right, Fatina?
Yes, ma'am. Not given.
Fine. Good. Now you read the rest of it and attempt questions 4 to 8.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
All right. Fourth one, Fatina. Read it and tell us. Explain to us.
The number of fish species in the Amazon forest is uncountable. Here they have mentioned the Amazon and its hundreds of tributaries are polluted with more than 3,000 fishes species. The answer can be
That means they're countable or not countable?
Not countable.
not
The
countable.
number of, why will I say uncountable? Will I ever put that there are more than 3,000 fish? Will you put this over here that there are more than 3,000 fish? When you put that there are more than 3,000 fish, that means you can count them, correct? So somebody has counted. That's why the figure has come 3,000. So the number of fish species in the Amazon forest is uncountable. We cannot say it is uncountable. It is countable. So that means this is false. No?
Okay.
Fourth is false. Okay, what about the fifth one?
Ocean currents help the fish species to flourish. Ma'am, it is true.
It is true. How did you come
Yes,
to this
ma'am.
conclusion?
In the same paragraph, in the third line, they flow with currents, making this forest ideal for fish growth, especially during flooding.
Correct. Absolutely right. All right. So fifth is true. Let's move on to the sixth one. Yes, Fatina?
Scientists are trying very hard to get complete knowledge to reptiles in the forest of the Amazon. It's not given.
It's not given. Sai, what about you? What is your answer for this?
Same, ma'am, not given.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Good. Now the seventh one, Sai.
Toucan is the most colorful bird in the world. And the answer is true.
Why? Where is it given?
In the same paragraph, they have mentioned the South American tropics are home to the most diverse bird species.
Diverse birds.
Diverse bird species. And in the same paragraph, last line, they mention they range from the colorful toucan to the majestic harpy eagle.
Right. So the seventh one is
true.
Toucan is the most colorful bird in the world. Where is this given? Tell me. Toucan is a colorful bird, but where is it given that it is the most colorful bird? Where is it given?
They have given most diverse bird species, ma'am.
So most diverse bird species. Most diverse bird species. Where is the information about the most colorful bird?
No,
paraphrase the question. The question is paraphrase the question. What would this paraphrase to? That means there is a comparison in the passage, correct? Of 2 or 3 or different types of birds. There's a comparison, and then when you compare, toucan is the most colorful bird. When we use most, that means more than two have been compared. But here, is there any comparison drawn over here?
No, ma'am.
No. So what will the answer for seventh be?
False.
No, will it be false or will it be not given?
It will be not given.
Not given. There's no comparison that has been drawn. Okay, let's move on to the eighth one. Land and water development poses no threat to the forest of the Amazon.
Ma'am, I think it's false.
Why do you think it is false?
Like it is mentioned that Amazon remains intact.
Mhm.
So I think
Although,
it is
there's a
false.
word although, right? Although today 80% of the Amazon remains intact. That means to 80% there is no threat. Correct? It is under siege. Under siege, that means something else controls it, takes control of it, overpowers it. Fine? From deforestation and the development and improvement of both aquatic and terrestrial infrastructure, such as roads and dams. So that means there is a threat to it or there is no threat to it. Passage tells you what, there is a threat or there is no threat.
There is threat.
Sai?
There is threat, ma'am.
There is threat. So the answer should be false for it because of that.